Alright, there we go. So you want to know how to boomerang a playing card. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, it's actually simpler than you think. Okay, we're going to get right into this, not even talking a second more. So what I found works best are, I don't think these ones are plastic. I think they're still paper, just because, you know, you can rip them. I'm not going to rip them just because I like these cards. But, you know, you could use any card. We're going to use the Joker this time. But they're pretty thick paper. You know, they're not like just you lick them and they're gone. So we're gonna start right off. So what you need to do is you need your 3 fingers. You need your thumb, your index finger, and your middle finger. All right. So how it goes is, here I have a card right here. This one will be my example. Okay. So you take your thumb and you put it on the front of the card, just like this. And then you take your index finger and you put it behind the card. And then you take your middle finger and then you put it in front of the card again. And then it'll probably bend like this. So it'll bend like a curvature. What you need to do is what I did was I just press my finger right here, and then you kind of just have to get the sweet spot of the card, and eventually, there we go. So now it's got like this, here I'm gonna go a little bit closer. It's got this special little, zoom out just a hair. So as you can see, it's got like a little indent right here. Here, let's just make this one unusable for a little bit. So you see right here how it kind of like folds in like that. Then all you need to do is put your fingers in just like that. So it doesn't really matter if your finger's over here, up here, down low. I mean, it would matter if your finger's like this. Try to keep it lower. So this is your index finger. Index finger goes in front. Then you have your thumb and your middle finger on the back. Now, they can be, you know, positioned better, but it doesn't really matter. And then what you need to do let's see, how do we get the best angle while filming this? So what you need to do to boomerang the card to get the right curvature. Now, I know that when people say that it's, you know, it's like a specific angle that you need. It is a specific angle. So I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit more again. So what we have right here, we're gonna use the card that I use. See, same exact idea. I just haven't bent this one as much just because I found what works best for me. You need to figure out what works best for you. So that's what we're going to be working with. So what you need to do when you're throwing the card is you need to let go of your thumb. Okay? We're going to put that into slow motion, I would say. So we're just going to hold the card like this. So this is my thumb. So what you need to do is you need to pull with this finger. You need to pull with your middle finger. See how I'm pushing with it with my middle finger, and then you let go like that. And your finger should look like a finger gun kind of, and you know, you kind of just keep on trying it until you get it. Here, I'll show you guys what it looks like. We're just gonna zoom out just a little bit, and we're gonna scoot back just so you guys can see, and then we'll fetch. The best angle is to have it kind of like this. The card's like flat, I would say, and your arm is kind of like this. You kind of look a little bit silly, but I think it works pretty well for the time being. And you kind of just want to have it like this, and then you just do exactly what I said. Here, I'm gonna hold my finger. You pull with your middle finger, and you release with your thumb. Here, and then you go like that, and it works. Here, I'll show you guys. We're gonna zoom in just a little bit, so I think it'll work better. So you have your fingers like this. You have everything set up. You put it in the direct area where you want it to go. Like if you point it at this, if you point it this way, it's just like a football. It's gonna go this way. If you point it at the camera, it's gonna go towards the camera. Watch this. See, it went towards the camera. Now, yes, I've been doing this for a little bit. I can't even get it every single time. It does take time after time, but let's see if we can get it for you guys right here. Alright, the hardest part is honestly catching it. See if we can get a good one. See, that was a good one, except, you know, I can't catch the freaking card. So, once you figure out the right angle, then you just have to keep on doing it. You know, time after time, eventually you're going to get it, and then once you get it once, you know, you're kind of just like, oh, well, I know how to do this. I just can't seem to freaking catch the card. Again, if you bend the card too much, then the card won't, like, you see, if you do like this, then the card will just fall. You need to have it, let me pick this card up off the floor. You need to have it at a specific angle. I would say like right there is pretty good. And then you can throw it. So, let's get a few good ones. Yes, you can stand up. Yes, you can sit down. It doesn't really matter. But, you know, the idea is that you sit down and you throw the card. They keep on going under the freaking, this stuff behind me, and I can't pick them up from under there just because it's pretty dusty under there, and I don't know, I don't really like spiders. Oh, come on. Because if I don't catch it, then it doesn't count. Gosh dang it, another card went behind the freaking thing. And you know, you kind of need to like wear the card in. It's kind of like shoes. Alright, there we go. Dude, that one was golden. Okay, we're gonna try one more time. Here we go, just. I gotta get like a few clean ones. Alright, that one was pretty clean. You definitely couldn't see that one. That one went far. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day and you guys are all staying safe. I hope that this was a, you know, a little cool thing to learn during quarantine while you're stuck at home. You know, if you want more like this, well, make sure to drop a comment below that you want more and make sure to click that subscribe button. Alright guys, adios. That would have been cool, but